looking at the Kimura game. We are going to beat this elbow prop. I'm just going to teach it right this time. So from here, so we looked at last time, anytime Declan has the knee shield in and he's on his shoulder, I can put the Kimura trap on his lead arm by just putting weight on him, cutting an angle, and then when I drop down, I'll be finding it on this arm here, and I can start extracting my leg. The game changes if he's the knee shield, he builds up onto an elbow prop and wins that underhook. Anytime his head is close to mine, that's good for him, that's bad for me. And if I try to do what we covered last time by actually trying to put the Kimura trap on his left arm, there's a lot of back exposure there. Okay, so we are going to put the Kimura trap on the prop arm. So how are we going to do that? The first thing we're thinking about is clearing the knee line. Just turn this way, bro. So from here I'm going to post on his hip, post in a hand, and basically bring my right knee off the mat and come up nearly into a knee on belly position. Now I need to get my armpit over his head. The problem is if Declan's head's in here, okay, there's no way I can get the Kimura trap on that arm. So I'm going to pin his wrist and use my head to push his head down. And now I'll bring the arm that's controlling the prop, my left arm, I want to bring my left arm over his head. So my left armpit's over his head. The right hand that was posting on his hip just comes in, snags the wrist, and I make the Kimura trap. Now I just push with 2 feet, roll over his shoulder, we're into T Kimura position again. Nothing's changed from here. From that position I keep my elbow under his elbow, and now as he turns into me, I'm bringing my knee under. Again, rear triangle is there if I can get that leg over, and then I'll use that leg to flare him onto from his right side to his left side as I bring his arm above his head. And then we have the rear triangle from there. Let's just take another look at that again. Just from this position is perfect. So Declan has the knee shield, he has that elbow prop. First thing is I need to free my knee line, so just turn this way, bro. So I just post my hand, and come up near the end of the knee on belly position. This also is quite good if Declan tries to keep his head in, my knee can kind of keep, we don't want that head in there. But if it is in, okay, I'm just going to grab his wrist and use my head to push his head down, and then I beat that. That's what I want. Right hand comes underneath, and then I can just snag and go roll over my shoulder. We're straight into our whole T Kimura position. So again, if Declan sits up into me, I can control the speed that he comes up to bring him bottom knee position. And then from there, foot's coming over. Once I have that lever, it's easy to manipulate him from his right side to his left side as I expose the suicide zone, and I can bring that above his head. And then we have unified legs, rear triangles in. Let's just do one more, bro. One there. So we're here. Free my knee line. Get his head lower than mine. Arm comes over. T Kimura position. As he turns into me, knee comes in, leg comes over, and now from here I can take him onto the preferred side. Rear triangles there, back attacks there also. So that is dealing with the elbow prop.